Here's the specs that got me on the TH350 right off the get-go. Tri-band, tri-display, tri-standby. 128 channels, of which I said before I wish it was more. And for what it is, we're never going to use the voice compander and the scramble function or the 750 hertz tones. That's for European. But the voice compander scrambler, why would they put that in this radio? Must be something for a commercial application. Security application. If you see my UV88 video, it's only a rhyme or reason I could ever think of. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the TYT TH 350 tri-band FM transceiver, tri-display, tri-standby, only 128 channels, wide narrowband, Vox CTSS DCS, emergency alarm, scrambler, DTMF, 750 hertz tone, is usually used over in Europe, battery save function, low battery alert, and comp. I think that's a compander. We also got with this radio today 2 spare batteries and belt clips, and a battery eliminator pack. We'll focus on those at a later date, but today we're just going to look just at the TH350. I do have a CPS, or not quite a code plug, but a radio plug set up already programmed for this while this radio was, or at least I was waiting for its arrival. So let's get it out of the box and let's see what we get with it. So included in the box is the TH350 tri-band tri-display radio, 1600 milliamp lithium-ion battery, the dual band 2m 770 antenna, 220 antenna. I did buy the extended antenna, the belt clip, AC adapter, desktop charger, owner's manual, and you can see the specs on it. So it's an SMA female antenna. TYT TH 350, 5 watts, 144 to 148, 222 to 250, 420 to 450. It's more of the same information. TYT recycled packaging. Quanzo TYT electronics. So I got this off Let's Get Ready off eBay. Great guy. I buy 99% of all my amateur radio accessories through him off of eBay. If I place my order, say on a Thursday, I get a tracking number by Friday morning. I usually place them late in the evening. Friday morning, Friday afternoon, it's gone out. The tracking number is updated. Usually by Monday, it's here in 4 or 5. Well, usually within 7 days, I get my items. So we have a nice, shiny, glossy owner's manual. Sort of block the view here. Looks pretty well written. Do real hams ever read the manuals? What's this? Channel storage and deleting. Reset. Nice. Okay, this was unexpected. I have an FTDI programming cable. Looks like this one's for the Windows 7, Windows 98, but hey, that's a nice addition I wasn't expecting. Of course, we got the TYT verification of past quality control standards. Got the charging cup, the battery, the radio. We got, should be 3 antennas in here. One for 2m, one for 440. And it looks like underneath, I'm going to have to dig this out. There's a Nagoya NA781 tri-band antenna. Okay, so this one's a SRH Shendaya SRH17, but it's the same thing as the Nagoya NA781. 2m, 220, 440. Okay, took this antenna out of the package. This one is 2m, and what is that? 440. Okay, let's go to the next one. There's the little stubby, and that says 220 to 260. I don't think the camera's focused on that. Focus. 220 to 260. Simple enough. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that. And this antenna is the tri-band, and there is no markings on it. No markings on the outside either. Anyways, it is 2m, 220, and 440. That's the one we're going to use. Is one of the main reasons I bought from this gentleman, because he does provide the TriBand antenna, where everybody else you need to buy it as an accessory. Slide the battery pack out. The battery pack is 1600 milliamp hours at 7.4 volts, 11.84 watt hours. Okay, this is different. It's got 4 little charging tabs. I guess I'm not going to use it in the UV88 charger, but it gives its own charger. So, okay, let's get the radio out. Blue button over there. Nice white blue display. Not a bad heft to it. 144 to 148, 220 to 225, 420, 450. Okay, so it's programmed for the handbands. Let me put the camera down. We'll get the radio, battery, and the antenna on this, and we'll see if we can power this up. Okay, so we got everything set together. And it comes on 435, 450, 145, 250, 145, 250. Let me get it over to the computer. And let me enter my radio data plug into it. Okay, sorry for the darkness of the radio. If I turn the light on the camera on, it's going to wash the computer keyboard out, but you see the radio. So anyways, first thing we're going to do is to have the TH350 software downloaded. We're going to read from the radio, and I'll be right back. Here we go, we're reading from the radio. Read, baby, read. Okay, so you can see it says 146.25, or no, 145.25, 223, 350, 435, 450. I'm going to save this as the 350 TH350 original. Then we'll open up my programming plug I have for it and then re-enter it. Here we are. We have my code plug, if you want to call it that. It's not really a DMR radio file opened up. We're going to write it to the radio. Be right back. Writing to the radio, we get a red light. The radio is really lightweight for being a TriBand. I figured the battery pack would weigh more. There we are. If you look here, I have this radio set for 136 to 174, 200 to 270, 400 470 receive, and 136 to 74 to transmit, 200 to 270, and 400 to 470. So it's Y-banded right out of the box. Not that I'm going to transmit out of band. I'm a real amateur radio operator. But nothing to say that I can't listen to things like public service, things that are out of the handbands. And that's the cool feature about these radios. Okay, so I got it all programmed up. I fiddled with the programming. There's a couple different quirks. I guess I didn't have everything set to channel name in it. Had to go back in, make those changes, rewrite it to the radio. Then I read from the radio and saved it. Then I add a little bit of yellow paint marker to the on and off switch so I can see where it's at. So now when the radio comes up, I have it set for my All-Star node. Yeah, I haven't figured out how to change the back timing to keep the backlit thing there going. Then Rutland VHF for now, and then 223 500 simplex. Supposedly I set this one here. Well, that's thought it was supposed to be scanned, but that breaks the squelch. Okay, that's not working. Let me push the blue one real quick. Okay, that's monitoring. Well, see, there's quirks. I thought I had it set to go into scan mode. So I can't figure out how to keep that backlight on. We go into the menu. Got the squelch, transmit power, Vox, wide narrow. I think that's scramble or add. Step, I got 2.5. Timeout timer for 3. Beep off. ABR, I don't know what that is. We're going to have to do another video when I have time through the menu. Well, this is irritating. Okay, there's always some quirk with some radio. I think I got it figured out. Now I have my All-Star node in VFO 1, Killington VHF in 2, and I have 3 scanning, but the problem is the backlight will shut off automatically until the radio comes alive. I have it turned on. That's in the menu selection. Have the beep set up. I have to keep disabling the keypad lock, which is that pound button. Keeps defaulting back to auto mode. And I thought this thing was also supposed to receive FM broadcast, but I can't find anything in the programming to get it, so I don't think the seller I bought it from had that listed. Maybe used that listing, copy and paste from something else, just type the model number of the radio in. Something that says it's a TH350 on the radio. Okay, so this battery pack kind of snaps in like the MD380, a Baofeng UV5R. Kind of got your 2 tabs down here on the bottom. Then the radio snaps in there, and then you have the battery release right there. Oops, pop the battery out. So, not really a fan of those, but you know, I guess it's going to work. What am I going to do with this radio? Probably going to keep it in the car as a little portable for out in the car. Okay, one more thing I want to mention about this battery belt clip on the TH350. So I just compared it against the one I had for a TYT MD380. It's the same exact thing, so looks like the MD380, the TH350, and the TH-UV88 all use the same belt clip. So if you have spares of the MD380, you're all set. Okay, so we have the, if I can send these up, the Anytone AT-UV8D 2 Plus, TYT MD3 UV88, I almost said MD380, and then the TH350 TriBander. So if we look, this has only got the stock battery on it. Mind you, they don't make an extended battery for the 350, or I can't find one. So there's the width. It's about the comparable to the UV88 with a stock battery pack on. Let's take a look at some of the features. I wish it had more channels, but unfortunately only 128 channels. 420 to 450, 144 to 148, 222 to 225, but we're going to expand that. Standard, non-standard CT, CSS, and DCS, narrow wideband, 5 watts maximum output, repeater capable, uses lithium-ion battery packs, which I wish there were more. I wish there was a larger option. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack included, includes charger, emergency alarm, I'm not fond of that, Vox, then never going to use, LED status lights, red and green, green for receive, red for transmit, those are nice. Dot matrix display is nice, lighted DTMF keypad, high-low power, battery meter, and the list goes on and on. 1 year manufacturer warranty, so it's not a bad little radio. We'll conclude the video here. We'll get back into the menu system in another video. It's not a bad radio. It doesn't weigh a lot. Got that aftermarket antenna on there. Never use the stock antennas. But maybe after using it for a while, we'll have to do what I like and don't like about it. Thanks for viewing. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Please use our Amazon link for any and all purchases as it helps support this channel. Bridgecomm link for anything ham radio related. If you have the heart, please support us on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Thanks for reviewing. 7-3.